Cuckoo's Corner. The following account was collected in County Carlow as a part of the school's collection. The school's collection was a part of the National Folklore Collection, which was undertaken throughout Ireland between the years 1937 and 1939. The Cuckoo's Corner is situated on the road to Cruinniú. It is believed that the first time the cuckoo visited this part of the country, it was the first place she came to, and she was the first heard over at the corner. It is a very sheltered spot, and she used to perch on a bush all night, and was heard very early in the morning, and it is still her favourite spot. In the spot, some years ago, stood a house. The ruin was there till about the year 1865, but none of it can be seen now. All around the corner, there are patches of violets growing. Here is our new song, Cuckoo's Corner.
Cuckoo comes in April, and me a born in April. The cuckoo comes in April. She sings her song in May. In leafy June she changes her tune, she changes her tune. In leafy June, in leafy June she changes her tune. In July she flies away.
No, you were telling me that you were chatting to your dad about Cuckoo's Corner. What did he tell you?
He told me that he remembered it, and his mum used to say that's
his mum used to call Cuckoo's Corner, so he remembers that place. So it's extra special that we have our song about Cuckoo's Corner, isn't it? Good man.
Cuckoo comes in April, and me a born in April. The cuckoo comes in April. She sings her song in May. In leafy June she changes her tune, she changes her tune. In leafy June, in leafy June she changes her tune.